Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In this video we will discuss how to set up D-Link DIR-825 Wi-Fi router. The D-Link DIR-825 is a dual-band Wi-Fi router designed for high-speed internet connectivity, offering both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands for better performance. So watch this video till the end. I hope in the end this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, plug in the power adapter and turn on the D-Link DIR-825 Wi-Fi router. Open a browser, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Enter the router's default IP in the address bar, 192.168.0.1. Now enter the login credentials. The username is admin and the password is, leave blank or use admin if required. After logging in, the D-Link setup wizard may start automatically. If not, navigate to Setup and Internet Setup. Choose your connection type based on your ISP. Save settings and reboot if needed. Now go to Wireless Settings and then Manual Wireless Network Setup. Change the SSID, Wi-Fi name, to your preferred name. Set security mode to WPA2PSK, recommended. Set a strong Wi-Fi password, minimum 8 characters. Save settings and reboot. Now restart the router. Connect devices to the Wi-Fi using the new SSID and password. Ensure the internet is working properly. Your D-Link DIR-825 router is now set up. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.